Pokémon Go offers adventurous view of discovering new locations and exploring local landmarks, parks, and hidden gems. Pokémon Go, an augmented reality game, has been a global phenomenon since its launch. The game allows players to capture, train, and battle virtual Pokémon that appear in the real world through several devices, including a mobile device's camera, GPS, and gyroscope. In Pokémon Go, players take on the role of a trainer, exploring their surroundings to catch wild Pokémon, visit Pokestops to collect items, and battle other trainers at gyms. The game's unique concept and interactive gameplay have made it a beloved favorite among people of all ages. Reason 1 improves physical and mental health. Playing Pokémon Go has been shown to have numerous physical and mental health benefits. Players go out, walk, and exercise through the game, reducing stress, improving mood, and enhancing overall well-being. Many players report improved cardiovascular health and increased social contacts. Reason 2, make new friends. The game has an active community of players. Its interactive gameplay allows players to join local Pokémon Go groups and attend various events, helping them meet new people with similar interests. Players can make friends with up to 450 different trainers, collaborating on tasks, trading Pokémon, and participating in friendly battles together. Reason 3, get active. Pokémon Go requires players to move around to catch Pokémon, hatch eggs, and battle at gyms. The engaging gameplay encourages physical exercise, such as walking, jogging, or even cycling. The game has been credited with getting people off the couch and into the great outdoors, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Reason 4, family fun. Pokémon Go is an amazing platform for connecting with family and playing together. Parents and children can explore their neighborhood, catch Pokémon, and enjoy quality time together. The game offers multiple options for family play, such as fighting against raid ultra beasts like Guzzlord at gyms or staying at home to trade the rarest and shiniest Pokémon they have caught in the wild. Reason 5, discover new locations. Pokémon Go provides an adventurous way to discover new locations and explore local landmarks, parks, and hidden gems. The game encourages people to get out and explore new places, promoting tourism and community engagement.